Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a weekly newsletter in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged with consistent, scheduled content that arrives in their inbox at the same time every week. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, press Enter to access the site. You'll be greeted by the Mailchimp homepage, and from here, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Enter your Mailchimp credentials to access your dashboard. This is where all your email marketing magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll see several options for managing your campaigns and content. Click on Campaigns. This is the hub where you'll create, manage, and schedule all your email campaigns. After clicking on it, you'll see an expanded menu with additional options. From this menu, select Email Templates. This section houses all the email designs and layouts you've created or can access within Mailchimp. Now you'll see a list of all the emails and campaigns you currently have in your Mailchimp account. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple by using an existing template to set up your weekly newsletter schedule. Click on Mailchimp Templates, and then look for the Filter section. Click on Newsletter to narrow down your options to newsletter-specific designs. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your brand and message. Once you've made your choice, click on Create Email. This will open up the email customization interface. In the email customization screen, you'll need to configure when this newsletter will be sent out. Look for the Send Time field and click on it. This is where you'll set up the scheduling that makes your newsletter truly weekly. To configure a weekly newsletter delivery, make sure to fill in the delivery date field. Consistency is key here, so click on Send at a specific time. This ensures your emails go out at the exact same time each week, building anticipation and routine with your subscribers. For this example, we'll be sending emails every Wednesday of the week at 4:30. Set your first delivery for the upcoming Wednesday at that time. This creates the foundation for your weekly schedule. Now here's the important part. To maintain a weekly newsletter, you'll need to repeat these steps for each subsequent newsletter. Create another email using a different newsletter template or content, and select the next Wednesday of the month, which might be the 24th. Then create another for the 31st, and so on. Make sure to configure the send time for each newsletter to that same Wednesday at 4:30 time slot. Once you've set up all your newsletters with their respective send times, click on Save to lock in your schedule. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a weekly newsletter schedule in Mailchimp that will keep your audience engaged and informed on a consistent basis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.